Hi, my name's David. I'm a technical consultant here at Cloud Business. You may already use Office 365 and apps such as Outlook for email and Skype for Business for online meetings. There are other apps that you may not know about. We're going to look at a few of those today, and these can help you boost your productivity and further embrace the digital transformation. Keep track of workloads with Microsoft Planner. It's a lightweight task management tool from Microsoft and helps you organise tasks with individuals and teams. You can assign tasks and deadlines to team members so that you can keep a track of who's doing what. Within each task, you can add notes, upload files, and if anything changes or a task is marked as completed, you'll get a notification to your inbox. Prioritise relevant information with Delve. Delve helps you search and discover content from across Office 365. Delve automatically shows you files that your close colleagues have been accessing or editing, helping you locate the information quickly and easily. You can search not only for content, but also for people. A good example would be if a team member is off sick and you need to access the data they've recently been editing. Search for the user, view their recent activity, and easily find the information you need. Delve quickly becomes an invaluable tool for finding the information from Office 365. Get a digital notebook with OneNote. Instead of writing your notes down, why not organise them within OneNote and get access to them on any device, anywhere. You can easily reorganise notes, add task lists, tags, and clip web pages. If you need to reorganise things, you can use the sections and pages to make sure everything is in the right place. Provide a new way to chat with Microsoft Teams. Enjoy fast-paced one-to-one or group chats with your colleagues. Use the Skype audio and video integration and add social features like emojis and memes. Teams is a great way to pull information together from across Office 365 and third-party applications. You can pull information from OneNote, SharePoint, external websites, and use that within a single desktop application. Create stories in Sway. Sway is a digital storytelling tool which is intuitive and easy to use. It's ideal for creating case studies, reports and presentations, and it's easy to add text, images, videos and other embedded content, all without being an expert in design. The built-in Canvas engine works fantastically on any device and will make your stories stand out from the rest. You may not need to use every app here, but at Cloud Business we can help you determine which Office 365 app will help you succeed. Thanks for watching what you didn't know about Office 365. For more information, see the description below. To view our other videos, click the link on the screen now, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to Cloud Business for more digital workplace tips and tricks.